Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today we came out to Buttermilk Falls. We came here once, but we didn't film this because it was during winter time and it was closed. So they redid this. This is all gravel, if I remember correctly. This is beautiful day neighborhood. That's right.
Beautiful day.
Oh, this is part of that Mr. Rogers walkway, they call it. So they did change this, as you see. If you've got a time to read that. This is going to be the Mr. Rogers walkway. So there's going to be a bunch of these placards. They talk about different things.
Jacob O.
So if you want to pause the video, you can go ahead and do so. I think that one gives the history, doesn't it?
I think that's who made it.
Who first discovered it. Okay. Well, so you guys can pause the video there and watch that part. Yeah, before this was not like this. This was all gravel before. It's been quite a few years since we've been here, so. There's one of those plaques about Mr. Rogers here. So these are supposed to be all sayings of Mr. Rogers and Mr. McFeely, so I understand. Oh yeah, this is nice now.
What'd you guys say?
Awesome.
Oh, pretty, huh? Crazy that he's
So this is actually our first time actually getting down to the falls. We didn't do that last time.
Yeah. We don't have that much stuff at the house, but it's 3 people.
So there won't be many breaks in this video. This might be a bit longer, but we're trying to show you how far it is to the falls, about how long it took us, about 2 or 3 minutes so far. So we'll see how long it takes to walk on an average pace. Nice and quiet, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Comes one of those little plaques again.
What did the other one say?
That one was, I didn't catch the phrase.
Oh, you didn't?
No, but the other one was a beautiful neighborhood. Oh, never mind, it just is 5, whatever that. Oh, it lifted up. There you go. So we might have missed a couple. We'll have to see if we can find them on the way back. The thing I remember best about success people and their delight in what they are doing, it seems to have a little to do with worldly success.
Number 4 didn't have one.
Oh, didn't? Okay.
That was
So we caught
underneath
the
it.
first 2, whatever that was.
There you go.
Well, we're walking. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure you slide on my like button. You guys are awesome. Thanks for all your support. It means a lot to us. So it looks like you have to go down those steps right there.
Oh, so this the one had the big long steps down the mountain.
Well,
Oh,
but it
that's
was,
awesome.
yeah, but see, the thing is half that was closed last time, and it wasn't paved, so we'll see. Because that's the dead end. Oh wait, we have to go that way first. I'm not sure. We'll find out. Oh, that's just the overlook, I think. Yeah. You see it from the upper, and then lower is right there. So apparently you can go behind it now. Oh yeah, you can. Oh wow, that's cool. We'll just have to take our time. That's awesome. You guys can see we're going to be going down that windy walkway, and then they made it so you can actually go behind it now. So that's awesome. Yeah, this wasn't like this before. Let me go first, you go first. So this isn't very handicap accessible, as you guys can see. So if you're in a wheelchair, you're probably going to have a problem getting down here. I don't think there's any other trail unless you go way up and around, but even still. So there's the lower part, and then you can go above it over there too.
Oh, you got the perfect camera.
That's right.
Spider.
So that just gives the view of the water coming down. We'll go over there after. I think you can go on top of that little wall there too to see how the river comes down to form it. But wow, this is cool. This is the Eclipse Bridge, erected at the time of the solar eclipse, August 21st of 2017. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Looks like there's quite a few people down here, so we'll have to be patient. There's a line. So what I think I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and, as you guys can see, look, there's not much more to see just to get down there. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video right here, maybe, so I can hear. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and pause the video. We'll see you guys when we get back to the falls. Alright, so here's down the falls. Now, gonna have much rain this year, but this is pretty cool nonetheless.
Yeah.
So it would be cool after a rainfall how much water would be coming down through there, going through that. But we'll take a couple photos here, so you guys are going to be pointing this way as we take the photo. That big lens flare there.
Yeah.
Hold on. You guys go see us take the picture. You gotta go that way. All right. Back to the water here. Yep.
You can go down one step.
It's kind of cold. So now we're headed back up the steps. And we're going to go to the above area too.
Well,
So-
you know when it's a lot of water, you probably won't be able to.
Yeah. Well, we're just going to see what it looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video right here. I'm not going to bore you guys going up the steps. You guys already know, see the bridge. All right, so we just came up the steps, went across the bridge, made a right. Here's the pathway to the upper falls.
Really no falls.
Yeah, it's kind of small, but there's up there too. There's like a little, not really anything spectacular, but
I don't trust them.
I trust him because I think it's definitely an evil
Let's get here. There's really nothing up there for me.
what's that?
There's really nothing up there for me to go up there.
Yeah. So I'm not going to go up. You guys can see if you just go up there, that's kind of where the water starts and comes down. So. All right, well, that was Buttermilk Falls here near Johnstown, PA. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you slide on my like button, share this out. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.